Here I have another Tru-Tone box. I've been working on putting up all of my Christmas lights, and so this is the last order I needed to finish my projects. There's also some new things in here that I haven't had before, so I'm excited to have something that's new. So this year, oh cool, these are the Christmas light sets. I ordered 2 of these because I'm going to use them for Christmas gifts for some of my friends. So if you're watching this, maybe it's for you. I'm not sure who it's for yet though. But so this is a set of 25 lights, C7 size. There's the lights. There's this cool packaging. I like that. They didn't have this last year, so this is new. So this was something I just had to pick up to be something new. I did buy some as Christmas gifts last year, so this will be easier, so I don't have to buy a set and lights and strings, but this is the set. So I got 2 of these. That's pretty cool. It opens up and you can see the light right in the top. So I got 2 of those. I saw there's a sticker. So another sticker. That's fun. I like the stickers. And then, oh, I got this. This is a new teal. This is a teal that I wanted since it's my favorite color. I think this is the darker teal or the new teal for 2023. I got them in C7. I'm going to put them around the bottom of my trees at my house. So you'll see these. I'll put them out front. But they have the Tru-Tone logo. Yeah, they look darker. I'm excited to see what they look like. Someone said they weren't as bright, which actually is perfectly fine for me because these are just going to go around the bottom of a tree. But I really like that teal, the dark look. So I'll have to get another bulb and compare. But I like that, so I don't know how many of those I got. Maybe 1 box? I don't remember. Here is just blue. Or the clear blue. These might be the... I ordered 2 more of the ones that were... Yeah, that were blemished because they were a little bit cheaper. I'm going to put them on my tree out front because you can't tell with the blemish. So if you look... At least on my other box, it looked like the blemish was just from rubbing, maybe not dry all the way when the paint was put on and it was put into the boxes. So around the edge where it's touching the gray, it seemed to, or touching the box, it seemed to kind of scrape some of the paint. And what's this? Classic mix color. These are going to go inside over the fireplace. C7s. I don't have a lot of C7s. That's why I had to pick up some C7s. This is blue Jeweltone. I think this is another one that was blemished to go out front. Yeah, so those are more blemished ones. And here we have Classic Mix, another box of Classic Mix Jeweltone. Just figured I could have some. I didn't have a box of C7s. So everything I really had was C9s for the house. And I got 2 big boxes. I don't know what this is. Oh, the Deluxe like string. Ooh, they're really bright green this year. Oh, because I got green. So I like these. These are the Deluxe string. As you can see, they're wrapped in fabric. And the light holders are so much better. A lot bigger, a lot stronger. But I really like this fabric. And as you see, it's made from the twisted wire, and then it has light green and dark green fabric. I have a red one from last year. So that's really cool. And these are C7. So that's why I, got some of the more C7s. I think there might be 2 of those. Because I have to pay for shipping every time, that's why I kind of just do one big order at a time. I did one in the summer for the pre-order, and then this one I did after I've been setting everything up so I know what I needed. This is just another Jeweltone of C9. Honestly, I got it because some of my magenta ones were faded, and so that I can kind of fill in, or ones that I might have broke because I dropped them, to be honest. So these are going to just kind of fill in for ones around the garage that I've had a few fade or that I've broke. And then I also have orange This is just for Halloween next year. I didn't have enough orange to put on my steps. So the whole point of this is just to put them on my steps next year. Orange. And then I got the sweatshirt. I was like, you know what? Why not? Employee hoodie. Extra large. We'll see what it's like. It's wrapped, so that's nice. I like that. Oh, it has the logo on it. That's kind of fun. This is just, ooh, that's soft. Okay, good. Smells normal. Well, that's cool though. That was just for fun. Because I have lots of sweatshirts, and I was like, well, now my friends can make fun of me for having a light bulb on a sweatshirt. But it's just kind of fun. So that's what I added this year. I am really excited about the classic light set and the sweatshirt. But these will be some Christmas gifts for some of my friends. That's all I got for today. Have a great time decorating.